Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I am going to teach point of sale system step by step part 25 tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to add this cashier name into our database. How to add the cashier name into our database. Okay, let me see how to do this task. Let's close the form. Go to our database. This will be our database. POSN. This will be our database. Here, select the appropriate table. This will be our table, sales main table. Here, notice that this table consists of 5 columns: ID, name, ID, date, time, quantity, and gross total. Here I need to add another additional column which name is cashier name. Okay, let me see how to add the cashier name column. So let's go to the structure. Here I am going to add the cashier name after the time here. So how to add this? If you want to add additional column, go to the structure. Here at the bottom you can see add columns. The next you can see after gross total at the beginning of the table, after the gross total here like this. Here you have to specify here. After the ID you want to add, or after date you want to add the additional column, or after time or quantity. I need after the time to add the additional column. Here I need only one column. Here you can, if you want to add 2 or more columns, you can select the here like this. I need only one column, so that I selected here as 1, and if you click this one it will be go. Here you can add the name. So this will be the cashier. If you cashier, okay, let's check the spelling if it is correct or not. Cashier. Okay, cashier. Okay, cashier. Okay. Here the cashier, I am going to add here cashier name. Cashier name. You must add here cashier name. Here select the appropriate data type, varchar. Here enter the value. Okay, this is a needful task you have to do. Okay, after that click save. The name will be always varchar. Here save. Now go to browse and see. Here you can notice that here after the time the one column has been added, which is a cashier name. Okay, but there is no records available because I newly created these columns. Okay, so that now what I am going to do is I am going to go to the coding part of the program. So let's back to our coding part. Here go to our sales form. The sales form, this is a sales form. Here the sales form, here let's click start. This is the cashier who logging in the system. Here cashier name is available. This cashier name belongs to which name you have to identify. This is for label 6. Okay, here notice that there will be 3 labels with the same name, but not with the same name. You just click on this one. You can check the name. I changed the name as LBL label. Here I already changed the name as LBL time. This one I didn't change. This defaultly LBL 6. If you want, you can change LBL cashier name or like that. Okay, I leave it as default. Okay, now what I am going to do is here, when you save the cashier name, also save under our table. Okay, database table. So first go to the our save button. This is a save button. This will be, when you click save, this name will be taken and go put into our database table, which is a sales me. So double click on the save button. Here sales button. What is the table? The data record onto store. The table name is sales main new. So here in this coding save part, there will be consist of two tables. One is a sales products, another one is a sales main, not this one. The second one, you have to go here. You have to, if you don't know the actual table name, you can see here. Go back to your database and see sales main. Okay, here you have created the new table, which is a cashier name here. So after the time, okay, notice that. Okay, if you have any problem, you just like this and you have to write the coding. Here ID should be there. This will be the first one, second will be the date, third will be the time. After the time, you have to create the additional column, which is a cashier name. So cashier name, comma, after that quantity and gross total is available. Check it. You must check the spelling mistake. Okay, if it is any spelling mistake, it won't be, or the data will be not added to in our database tables, so that the same whatever in this whatever wrote here, the same thing you have to write here, cashier name. Okay, after that what you are going to do is, you know the stuff. Again, the value you have to set the store procedure. Store procedure also, you just select the cashier name, copy, and here after the time you have to paste it and comma, make it a comma. Here before the cashier name you have to add one store procedure symbol. Now it's make it as store procedure. Okay, after that what I am going to do is, here this will be the this will be set into the relevant label or text box control, the this store procedure. So here I am going to set as after the time I am going to add this store procedure. So here, so copy this one, paste it. Here you have to make it as cashier name. After the time, here carefully when you paste it, okay, after the time your paste is cashier name. After that, cashier name is display which label 6, the which name is label 6. Okay, you must get the correct name here over here. This name will be displayed here. The name, this belongs to label 6. So you have to put here cashier name as label 6. Okay, this is the needful stuff you must do it. Okay, okay, now all are we done so far. Good. Now let me check it if it is success or not. Okay, so let me execute the program and see. Login the system, login successfully, sales is successfully. I'm going to add 2 things. Okay, all are correct. Now when you click the save button, the code added successfully. Okay, the row has been cleared successfully. The new invoice number generated successfully. Now let's go back to our database and see whether the name is added or not. You just refresh this one, sales main table. 27 record will be our cashier name, will be displayed. So let me see here. The 7 record will be J. J will be the customer cashier name will be displayed here. Okay, try another one. Okay, let's close it, the program. enter the new cashier who logins in the system. Let me test it. Here, when you click the save button, now let me back to our database. We'll see database table. This is the sales main table. Here, if you refresh it, it's still refreshing. Okay, here notice that the cashier name will be added here. Here, the two things are added successfully. These are the cashiers who log in your system. You can see here. The simple thing you can see like this. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying my tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.